my channel, and you have made it to spring look number 3. And if you already haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below right there. Y'all, she always messing up my intro. She just wanted me. I'm sorry, but yes, you guys. So I'm gonna call this Spring Queen. Y'all, I really just go with the flow. I never know what look I'm going for. I just literally, sometimes I have a vision, sometimes I don't. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out my previous video. I will link them down below, and at the end of this video they will appear somewhere up here. And yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and make sure you guys comment below, and y'all turn on y'all post notifications. If y'all want to see more of this, more of what I have going, because y'all, I'm not done. We still have 2 more looks, okay? So yes, let's get into this tutorial. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So y'all, we starting off with the Zulu's palette by Juvia's Place. Going in with that orange shade for my transition and just blending that out, you guys. And then I had to stop for a little minute because my song by Chris Brown came on, y'all, and I just had to give y'all a little tune. Back to this lay, you guys. So I'm taking that orange shade from the Modern Mattes palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to take that kind of in my transition and just a little bit in my crease, just to intensify that orange a little bit more. Back at it with my Zulu's palette. I'm using that brown shade just to give my crease a little warmth. And y'all, surprisingly, I did not touch my NYX Ultimate Brights palette, even though I wanted to pick it up, even though that is my go-to palette when I'm leaning towards looks like this. But I decided to put it down for y'all and pick up another palette. But I'll be going in with my Modern Mattes palette, the same palette, and I'm going to use 2 warm tone shades just to, the brown wasn't really doing nothing for me, y'all. Back in with the Modern Renaissance, the Modern Mattes palette, picking up that electric blue shade and applying that in my crease. This is the vibrance that I wanted, that this blue is giving me. And I'm going in with my Urban Decay electric palette and packing that blue. I was going to keep this on my lid, but it was coming on really patchy on my lid, so I just blended it up into my crease. And I went in with my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and applied that light shimmery blue. And I don't know what was going on here, but it was coming on patchy, so I just went in with some MAC Fix Plus, sprayed my brush, and now I'm cutting the crease. Y'all, this blue shade came out so pretty, but I'm going to buff out my edges with this dark blue shade from the Urban Decay electric palette, and I'm just going to buff everything out, make sure it's well blended, And y'all had a lot of fallout during this process, and I didn't want to take my foundation off, so I kind of just went with the flow and started contouring my nose with some blue eyeshadow, y'all. I look crazy as hell, but everything turned out great at the end. So, hey, y'all just go with the flow. Forget about the outcome. The outcome gonna either turn out good or bad. In this situation, it turned out good, so we moving on to the next step and applying this in the waterline to give it a little color. Back at again with the flowers, you guys. So I'm applying them with, of course, duo glue. Y'all, do not go home trying to recreate this look using duo glue. I recommend you guys go buy some glue that's meant for the face. Because don't go home and saying y'all had allergic reaction because y'all using duo glue on y'all face, because Ashley, please use at your own risk, because I'm using it because I'm not about to go out and buy nothing for the face. I'm using what I have. That's what I do. Using what I got, saving a little extra coins any chance I get. So yes. Next, I'm just highlighting my inner corners, and I'm going to be applying these diamonds above the flowers, y'all. And they wasn't perfectly straight. With these nails, they probably weren't going to be perfectly straight, but as long as they stuck to my forehead, that's all that matters to me. It came out great. So if you're a perfectionist, I prefer that you take your time. Me, I was just over these little diamonds that kept falling off. It wasn't sticking, so I just started just kind of applying them however. So yeah. So I'll be taking these butterflies and placing them in the front perimeter of my hair just to portray an image of a crown, but instead we are interpreting butterflies. And they do not come with anything to make them stay, so I use duo, of course. And y'all, please use at your own risk, please. Do not forget to check out Glam 1 and Glam 2 in the description box below. Also, click up above to check out Glam 2, and thanks for watching. I was ready to blow me.